Nitin says, when upload the photos, the QR code and logo watermarked at the top of the GMB on top as part of the GMB process. What would you recommend if taking over a client's GMB profile that's relatively mature? Oh, I'd just leave the existing photos. I wouldn't go change them. Yeah, just start with new ones. That's all. Yeah, I'm not going back through and downloading somebody's photos and then deleting the olds. I'm not doing all that. We just start with new photos from that point forward. Okay. Do you use the QR code logo images on the May website? Yes, I do. You can see that on all my Felling Pro sites, right? So just pick one, go into it, and you'll see. We just have the logo overlay for the universal images that are common to all sites. But on the location specific, you'll see we have a location specific logo and a QR code. So yes.